Glance Guided CX connects customers with agents for real-time, human-guided interactions on mobile apps, portals, and websites. Agents can join a Glance session from any CRM, customer service, or custom agent desktop to connect with customers face-to-face, building trust in the moments that matter. With co-browsing, agents see exactly what the customer sees, transforming do-it-yourself into do-it-together, moving faster and reducing abandonment rates. Sensitive data can be masked at the field, page, and agent role levels and is never transmitted through Glance. With advanced collaboration features, agents can help customers reach their goals quickly, ultimately impacting key metrics and revenue. Agents can assist in filling out forms, share locally stored documents, and even add other participants to resolve issues more effectively. Supporting both Android and iOS mobile apps, Glance ensures a consistent experience no matter where the customer is engaged. And session data is automatically captured to measure Glance's business impact. Earn, keep, and grow customer relationships with Glance Guided CX.